Welcome to TrendCash AI training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show how to create your brand in TrendCash AI. Go to the left menu and click on Brand Creator, then click on Create Brand. Now you are on Brand Creator page. All you have to do is fill in your brand identity below to personalize your generated AI reels. Just add brand name, brand logo or product image. Your brand creation. Use these information to create your brand identity. Brand description. It will help AI tailor relevant hooks, product messaging, and target audience tone. Now just click on Create Brand Profile and your brand identity will be generated. You can see all your generated brands in My Brands section where you can manage it. You can create reel with your brand. Edit your brand. Or delete it. Thanks for watching the video.